Okay, what's good, Unapologetic Gang? I just want to remind you today that this is a time that we need to get rid of things from the old season. Things are definitely changing. So maybe we've been holding on to a client for so long and they got to go. Maybe there's a belief system you had that's got to go. Things have to change a little bit. Yes, there will be situations where you start at the bottom just so you can be promoted, but this is a change of season. So if you held on to a very subservient situation, that would be one thing, but to change and upgrade yourself to another is a different. If it's time for you're seeking or you're looking forward to a different form of relationship, that's important. Upgrade yourself to a different relationship, but at the same time, don't ask God or expect to change when you know things are already jacked up. If you're holding on to something, a password, love letters from a situation that didn't work, get rid of it. Get rid of the bad attitudes, get rid of the passwords for somebody that you used to hold on to. Just block and delete. Really begin to be ready and do this as a prophetic act, so you were preparing for something new to enter into your life, so somebody from the past is not ready. Remember that the Bible says that that God makes a presence. He I'm so sorry. I'm just kind of like I'm just paraphrasing. But God sets a table before me before my enemies in the time of your harvest. If this is the time before your harvest, don't hold on to stuff from enemies. Feelings, things that people have shared, old therapists, things like that. It's time to change. If this means that you need to move or you're embracing the transition, if you're still in this transitionary phase, I want to remind you, you're going to get out. But you can't hold on to the stuff from the past. You can't hold on to stuff that was maybe holding you, blocking you, preventing you from moving forward. This is not the time. Just as things are changing, so are you, so are things. Can't hold on to something you cannot accept with a closed fist. Accepting with a closed fist means holding on to something from your past. Anything, everything. You know what you're asking for, what you're expecting for. It's not the first time you've heard this. So this is not your this is not your validation, this is activation. This is your activation. Activate it, move, get out, get rid of the stuff, get rid of the clients. And it doesn't have to be in pain, hard feelings, nothing like that. But you're transitioning and you gotta wash your face and not look like you were in the past. All right, guys, that's it. See you.